This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locating the container you will remove. This is crucial because remove commands need an ID or a name. Run docker ps to list everything. Once you see the target, stop it with docker stop container ID or name. Do that now. Stopping ensures file systems and processes are clean. If stop takes time, make sure no dependent services are running, and note the container ID for the next step. Once the container is stopped, remove it with docker rm followed by the ID or name. You can use docker rmf to force removal if it is stuck, but be cautious because force kills any remaining process. For multiple containers, pass several ID or use a command substitution like docker rm $docker ps to clear many at once. Make sure you are removing containers, not images. Images are separate artifacts, and removing them changes rebuild behavior. To finish, tidy up leftover resources. Use Docker System Prune to free space, and consider Docker Volume ls then Docker Volume rm for unused volumes. If Docker rm fails, inspect the container with Docker Inspect and check Docker logs for error messages. Those often reveal locked mounts or permission issues. Once done, verify with docker ps that the container is gone. A key tip: if a volume blocks removal, unmount or remove the volume first before retrying removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.